interesting numbers there. Let's crunch them further down to Adani first. Since you mentioned all 10 listed companies made profit, there was a gain, of course, in the share prices, and all of that on the back of the big news that is coming in as far as the GQG investment in concern. GQG's latest investment in Adani Power means that the total investment that the firm has made so far in the Adani Group totals to about $4 billion.
Yes. So if we are excluding their what they bought from the promoters, it's about 25,000 crores. But if we also add Ambuja Cements, which they have been buying in the open market, which adds about another 50 to 60,000 crores, so we get a figure of $4.2 billion.
$4.2 billion.
Now, GQG has been consistently buying Adani stocks, right? This is Adani Power is the fifth company in which GQG has invested their money. Now they have also acquired a 6.54% stake in Adani Enterprises, about a 5.4% stake. About a 5.4% stake in Adani Enterprises, about a 6.54% stake in Adani Green, about a 2.5% in Adani Transmission. So since that Hindenburg collapse started, slowly and steadily GQG has been raising its exposure in Adani stocks, and not only Adani stocks, Indian portfolio, the country-wise allocation in GQG's $100 billion portfolio, India's allocation is about 33.5%. It also has ITC and SGFC Bank in its portfolio. So apart from Adani, GQG is also betting big on India.
GQG betting big on India apart from Adani, of course. Let's quickly get in Kranthi into this conversation. Kranthi, I think investors are positively taking to GQG's investment in Adani. As you can see from all that performance there for all companies, not just Tata, not just Adani Power. Adani Power was up almost about 2%, but all the other listed companies, of course, also in the positive terrain, bucking the trend. Where we see a sea of red, we see Adani Group bucking that trend.
Yeah, Shweta, GQG have been giving the confidence booster for Adani Group from past couple of months time. So they are quite bullish about the prospects and infrastructure business in India, and they have been the continuous buyers starting from Adani Enterprises, Transmission, and now with respect to the billion-dollar buy with respect to Adani Power is concerned. So they are quite positive with respect to fundamentals and prospects of Adani Group is concerned. It's good for Adani Group also to gather around 4.2 billion. It translates around 37,000 crores, which they have comfortable liquidity in their hand to meet the bond obligations that are going to come. So it is a win-win situation for both. And this led the retail also take confidence, and also some other sovereign funds like Qatar Investment Fund, they also have been investing in Adani Group, and also the retail participation also going up right now. But these stocks are suitable for the high risk appetite investors than the normal regular retail investors are concerned. So one need to check their risk appetite while taking any investment decision in this group.
So actually, Shweta, if you look at since the Hindenburg report came out, Adani stocks have rallied, they have bounced back, but they are still trading way below the prices that they were before that Hindenburg report came out. Now, several stocks of the company are in the red. I think Adani Ports is the only one which is up from the January 24th price. It's up about 4%. Most stocks, Adani Enterprises is down almost 30%, Transmission is down almost 80%, Green is down almost 50%. So even though the concerns, it seemed, had taken the concerns raised by Hindenburg had taken the backseat in the last couple of months, but the stock has not recovered. So maybe there is an opportunity. As you can see, Enterprise we were talking about down 28%, Transmission is down 70%, Total Gas 83%. Adani Ports and Adani Power are the only two stocks that are above that January 24 price levels. So it shows that if the clean chit comes from SEBI and status quo is maintained, there is a plenty buying opportunity. Kranthi, what do you think about that?
Yeah, Suyash, it seems to be the stocks are available from their peaks at a very discounted prices, but there are overhang, as rightly mentioned. The SEBI has asked for another 15 days time to submit the report about the Adani Group. So there is a overhang. So the investors have been waiting for this report, how it's going to be. But as I mentioned earlier also, there are some kind of strong infra businesses are available like Adani Transmission. These stocks have corrected from their peaks of for around 4,000 level, and Adani Transmission touched a level of 665. Currently, the stock is around 820 20 to 25 levels. The stock has been hovering. So investors with high risk appetite only, they can choose these stocks because with the conventional wisdom and the matrix what available for the normal valuing a company. So the stocks, most of the stocks don't fit into that criteria. It's the PE levels are very high for these stocks still after the so much correction in these stocks. So one need to take into cognizance of their risk appetite while taking any serious investment decisions in Adani Group shares are concerned.